Hi everyone, welcome to another topic with Teacher Gia, and today we're going to talk about the arteries at length. So going to define arteries, we're going to check or talk about characteristics of arteries. Then we're going to get to know comparison between arteries and veins and arteries and capillaries. So I think we should begin. So, blood vessels are integral tubular structures responsible for transporting blood throughout the body. That is blood vessels. Arteries, veins, and capillaries are the three main types of blood vessels, each with distinct characteristics. So, let's jump into characteristics of arteries. First, we're going to talk about location. It is located deep in the muscle, arteries. Secondly, size of the wall. Arteries have thick walls with a muscular layer that helps maintain blood flow. So that is size of the wall also. Third characteristic is supposed to talk about direction of blood flow. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to other organs. Okay. The fourth one, oxygen content of the blood. Arteries primarily carry oxygenated blood except for the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs for purification. So we have direction of blood flow, we have oxygen content of the blood, we have size of the wall, and we have location. The fifth one, presence of muscle tissue. Arteries have a thick layer of smooth muscle tissue, allowing them to regulate blood pressure. And lastly, presence of valves. Arteries typically do not have valves except for the pulmonary artery. So the reason why they do not have valves is because they have thick muscle walls that can withstand the pressure. So they don't necessarily need that. Next, we move to comparison between arteries and veins. The first comparison is that arteries carry blood away from the heart, while veins carry blood towards the heart. The second one, arteries predominantly carry oxygenated blood, whereas veins carry deoxygenated blood, except for the pulmonary veins. The third one, arteries have thicker walls with more muscle tissue compared to veins, which have thinner walls. Arteries have thicker walls, thus do not have valves, while veins have thinner walls and utilize valves to prevent the backflow of blood. Next, arteries have a narrow lumen, while veins have a wider lumen. The sixth one, blood pressure in arteries is high, while in the veins is low. So next we're going to look at comparison between arteries and capillaries, because we've already done comparison between arteries and veins. So next we start. Arteries carry blood from the heart to various organs, while capillaries facilitate the exchange of substances between arteries and veins at the tissue level. So that is the first comparison. The second one, arteries are the largest blood vessels with thick walls, whereas capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. The last one, which is the third one, arteries are located deep within muscles, while capillaries are distributed throughout tissues in the body. So those are the three comparisons between arteries and capillaries. Understanding the characteristics and functions of arteries, veins, and capillaries is essential for comprehending the intricate workings of the circulatory system and its role in maintaining overall health. So that is the end for our topic for today. Next, we're going to look at veins and finally capillaries at length specifically. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Teacher Gia's channel. I love you and take care.